Hello everyone, this is Nix with East Canada Fire Alarms. This is the big project part 2, wiring the new system. So this video is strictly wiring. I will not be revealing the new system yet because it is not the installation video. But for some of the wiring, I'm going to reuse some of the old cable. But for some of the wiring, I'll use this. This is 75 feet of thermostat cable. This is 18 gauge 5-core cable. Very similar to fire alarm cable, except it's not rated for fire alarm. But this is completely fine for security system cable. I don't think my camera is going to focus on it. It's 5 conductor. There's a green, blue, yellow, red, and white. So that was not very expensive cable on Amazon, and it's full copper. And the other cable I'm going to be reusing is 22 conductor, 22 gauge 4 conductor, so for lower power devices. So I'm going to start by probably wiring stuff on this side, like keypad, door contact, and a little spoiler, there's going to be access control, hopefully, so I'm going to wire the video as well. So, keypad's going to go back where the DSC was, hopefully. Except not where the pull station is, because sometimes it would not open. And that's, yeah, I'm going to just start wiring this. I'm going to do a fast forward or time lapse. Okay, so you just saw me wire the keypad and all. I think I'll do most of the wiring off camera and update you on it because this is more difficult than I thought it would be. So I'll update you when more wiring's done. Alright, so here's a little update. So I just brought the wires for the door contact. This is some access control stuff for the lock, the exit button. This is for the access control reader. So that's what I brought here. Also passed wire for the motion sensor, and that's basically it. So, and yeah, the keypad as you saw earlier. So I'm going to continue wiring on the other side now, which is not a lot of wiring compared to here. And I will update you when that is done. Alright, so the rest of the wiring on this side has been done. I have power. I've connected a supervision cable to my fire alarm panel up there. I also passed the phone line. I'm gonna tidy this up after the video off camera. And that's basically it. For this side, there's also going to be some other devices under the panel. This is going to be removed off camera too. Panel's going to go around here. there's going to be devices below and next to the panel. That's going to be wired as I install the panel. And that's basically it. So if you enjoyed looking at the wiring for this system, well, this is part 2 for that. And yeah, it's not as good as I wanted, but again, it's kind of better than the previous wiring at the same time. So I'm also not sure if, well, more like where I'm gonna put the access control reader, because it's a black reader. I don't have a white one, and I really don't know how I'm gonna put it, because this is in the basement, not outside. So the video of installing the panel might not include installing the access control. Well, at least for the outside part, there's gonna be the exit button. I put this for now, but this is not gonna be the exit button. You're gonna see what it is in the installation video. And the lock for the door, you're also gonna see in the video of installation what it is. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you for part 3 installation video.